This is what I do every day to remain profitable.
I always wait for the 9:30 candle to open and close. This is the 9:30 candle here.
I want to see an elephant bar candle or a tail bar candle.
This is what I mean by elephant bar candle, and this is what I mean by a tail bar candle. Then the next thing I want to check is I want to see if this candle, this 9:30 candle, is above or below the two institutional indicators. And in this case, it is above the two institutional indicators. That means we are going up. But if it is below the two institutional indicators, that means we are going down. And immediately I see these confluences, the next thing I do is boom! I'll jump in and then set my stop loss just below this 9:30 candle, and the rest is history. That's how simple it is.
This simple system repeats itself every single day. This equally happens in all the tradable assets. It happens in stock, forex, indices, and crypto. Don't worry, I will show you how to set that on your own chart. Click the link around this video, send a DM to get started, all for free.